So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button. Click to search. After that you can see this, enter your model number of motherboard, B650 UDAX. After that hit enter. Then click to title of this. Click on support. Select your operating system which is required, Windows 10 and 11, any, but installations process same, any. WLAN means Wi-Fi driver. You extract, then you can see this is Wi-Fi, and just click to download. You start downloading. And it is completed. Just open it and double click to exe. And then click to yes. So it is closed automatically, then we'll install and close it.